So for stay, we're going to give the verbal command stay. I'm also going to show them the back of my fist, stay. I can do that to the side, whatever, in front of me. Wherever the dog is, I can turn around, stay. So it's pretty versatile. But I want to, Charlie, come. Heel. Yes. Whatever position I give it, the dog, if it's a sit or down or up, they should stay in that position. Stay. I'm going to go away. I'm going to come back. I'm going to treat. Yes, good stay. Charlie, down. Yes. Stay. No. Stay. Yes. Good stay. Okay, free dog.